Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcement at this time. Sorry, yesterday I was not feeling well, so I did not do morning announcements. I apologize for that. Just wasn't feeling well at all. So here we go anyways. Today is the 5th of February 2019. I know that says Burr. Yesterday it was 50 degrees. It is supposed to get cold again here over the next couple days. Tomorrow we're supposed to get some freezing rain. So we'll see what happens in terms of school. So keep your ears out. Today's weather, 38 degrees for the high, low tonight of 21. There's a 100% chance of rain. They're talking up here, they don't know if it's going to be sleet or if it's going to be freezing rain. Kind of hope for some sleet. It doesn't freeze to the ground the same way that freezing rain does. PBIS expectation of the week this week is hallway and stairs. In order to be safe in the hallway, and on the stairs, we need to keep our hands and feet to ourselves. None of that play. If you're playing with your pushing your hands on people and stuff like that, that's not play. People don't enjoy that, so please don't do that. Walk in the hallway and down each individual stairs. Still catching people jumping down those stairs. Please don't do that. And then when you're walking down the hallway or walking down the stairs, please use your handrails. Being responsible means that you're walking in a single file line, going directly to your location in a voice level of a 0. Respect, stay to the right, and then people who have worked hard on the artwork that they put out on their lockers, or if they're on the walls, or the posters that we have hanging on the wall. So please be respectful of those, which means you're keeping them up, you're not leaning on them, you're not touching them, that kind of stuff. All right, some staff announcements. Today we were supposed to have a staff meeting. I'm going to cancel that meeting and turn it for next week. The reason for that, teachers, I know some of you are finishing up Fontes and Pinnell, and we're finishing up our last few students in NWA. Today was supposed to be a data review. I got permission this morning, finally, to move that meeting to next week. As of right now, again, all F&P data and NWA testing needs to be done by this Friday, which is the 8th. And please make sure that your Fontes and Pinnell is put into Illuminate on the 8th as well. So far, I haven't gotten any changes on that. Lunch, today we're looking at deluxe nachos, which come with tortilla chips, beefy cheese sauce, shredded romaine, fiesta beans, salsa, cherry applesauce, and some of them crunchy baby carrots. I know you guys missed hearing me say that yesterday. Tomorrow we're looking at pepperoni or cheese pizza, celery with wow butter, banana, crunchy baby carrots. Special announcements tomorrow at 8:30. We're going to have our MLK celebration, hopefully weather permitting. We've rescheduled that 3 times, I think, now. So hopefully we get that in tomorrow, but we will see. And then the 8th, which is this Friday, is the recruiting trip for our 5th graders to see the middle school bands over at Port Huron High School's PAC. Pledge of Allegiance today, I think this is a super easy question. Why are there 13 stripes on the flag? Why are there 13 stripes on the flag? Students, if you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. All right, here we go with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. As always, please make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers.